Well, hello. Time to do some trades. So I've got a couple trade ideas for you guys, doing some earnings trades, and we're going to take a look at the market and place a trade on Baidu, Walmart, and Home Depot for earnings. So let's adjust this. So I've got a call calendar and see what pricing we can get for this guy. So this is $12 wide. This that's weird. 98. So that's 98 to 108 is $10 wide versus $12 wide. Don't want that to be $12 wide. 108 to 115 is 7. Yeah, so let's make that $7 wide. So I can put this Baidu calendar on for 166. Baidu's up pretty big today, and earnings is after the market closes. We've got 34% probability. Let's move that down slightly. What does that give us? For 187, yeah, let's go ahead and try to send this order. Wow, that went through real quick. And so we're going to go ahead and take this off put it on for 182. So let's try, let's see, Baidu. Let's pop in here and we'll see if we can close this at a 20% profit for the full trade. 286. We'll just send that through. So, yep. And let's move to the next one, Walmart. Walmart. Okay, so we look at putting in this trade on Walmart. That's pretty nice profit zone. 45% probability of profit, which I like. That's pretty high. 24% of getting max, or 50% of the profit. We're putting up 288 to potentially make 512 bucks. So a little bit, not quite risk one to make one, but I'm not aiming to make that full amount. So let's tweak these strikes slightly. 274. And then if we, well, yeah, actually I like that. Let's just go ahead, Walmart's up slightly today. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the chart, just see where we're at. Looks like it's coming off of this rally today slightly. So it opened up higher, now it's coming off. So let's look at the 5-minute chart. Yeah, so it opened up, now we're coming down, and it looks like we're looking to find a range in here. So we'll go ahead and place this trade right here for 273, see if we get filled in Walmart. Alright, I missed that. Let's put it in 275, and then we'll let that work. And let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be Home Depot. Now the reason why I'm doing butterflies in these is just because IV rank has not been coming in as nicely after earnings as I am used to. Home Depot, also feeling bullish on it just because they've still got orders coming in. So we've got a $10 wide versus, oh wait, that's $15. There you go. Yeah, so $10 on each side, is that right? 250, 260, 250, 240, yep. So we're just putting up 268 to potentially make 700 bucks on Home Depot. We've got a little bit of downside protection, and let's, oh, what? That's weird. That's weird that Screencast is doing that. Anyways, so again, I'm not trying to make the max profit. So max profit's going to be in the 760. I just want to pull a little tiny bit of profit off of the IV crush, and if Home Depot moves up towards, actually, let's keep this about even. Expected move is plus 12, 285, 234. I don't know. Well, we'll just go ahead and leave it at the 250. I'm bullish on Home Depot just because they've been doing very well considering everything that's been going on. So yeah. So now we've got that in. Let's pop in, put in our closing order in advance. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna try to pull 20% out of this as well. Close the full thing. So see if we can close out for 390, and we'll just adjust that at market open and pull out whatever we can. These are earnings trades. We're not trying to like make all the money in one go. And Walmart, that Walmart trade keeps running away from us. The last earnings trade I'm gonna be putting in is AAP. That's Advanced Auto Parts. And this one's actually going to be slightly different just because they don't have the weeklies that I can trade in. So butterflies are really good when it comes to short dated trading, because the butterfly, it takes advantage of the IV collapse in the short strikes that you're selling at the money or the middle strikes. So if we pop in here and we look at Baidu, these two strikes, as theta decays in them, make money much faster, while these strikes retain their value, hopefully. That's the play. And so you want, well, I want this trade to expire at 107, at which point I would close this trade at max profit, if it did. That only works in the last week or two before expiration. So now, because Baidu, oh wait, whatever, yeah, AAP, here we go. AAP does not have any weekly options. This is 32 days out. I'm actually going to be selling, wow, this is crazy good premium. That is crazy. 19 delta. Yeah, so I'm just going to be selling this Iron Condor with 265 net credit and banking on an IV collapse. It's well outside the expected move. AAP's barely moved at all today, so we're going to go ahead and send that through, see if we can get filled. The markets are kind of wide, so I don't know if it'll fill. Wow, yeah, see, the mid price is only 117. So let me try this again. Let's see. 133. Okay, I knew the premiums were a bit wild for that. So we'd be collecting 133 and theta, get a little bit of delta. Exposure. Do I want to risk it? I could. Yeah, sure, why not? Well, the markets are kind of wide. I don't like how wide those markets are. The volume, let's look at the volume. Open interest, there's plenty of open interest. Volume, not that amazing though. Well, I think we're gonna pass. I do like this play, I just don't like how little volume there is, and I don't like how wide these markets are. That's $50 wide, this is $30 wide, this is $50 wide, and this is $50 wide. too wide. I'm not going to trade it. So yeah, anyways, so there are some earnings plays for you guys to consider. Walmart just filled at 275. Let's pop in. We'll put in our closing order on Walmart. Close at, let's aim for 20% profit again. Close the full thing. And again, I'm just taking these off in the morning as soon as market opens, regardless of whether or not they've made money or not. So anyways, alright, well, have a wonderful rest of your day, and may the deltas ever be in your favor.